They crossed the Red Sea, running from the fire. The prophet's followers, their backs against the wire. Quraysh said, bring them back, dead or alive. But a Christian king said, here you will survive. Ashama bin Abjar, Nebus of the land, he heard their testimony and he took a stand. Drew a line in the sand, not with the sword but with grace. Said every soul deserves a safe and holy place. In Najashi, king of the just, come on. In Najashi, in God we trust. A Christian king protected Muslim souls. That's the kind of story that makes a country whole. He listened to the Quran read inside his halls. The verse of Mary made the tears begin to fall. He said, between what you believe and what I hold, the difference is no wider than this line I draw in bold. He sent back Quraysh's gifts, refused their silver tools. Said hospitality is something I answer for to God, not you.